We believe that play, playfulness and a playful state of mind is in itself an important factor to create a better everyday life for the many people. In this year's report, we wanted to understand how and why people play. We were also curious to understand more what adults' view on play is.
That's like your time to release your stress. So when you're playing, you really can just forget about everything else.
If I'm upset, I play to be happy again.
So in this research, we had a very diverse group of people. Everything from small children, age of 2, up to grandparents, age of 90. So what we did in the research to find out what play is, we did it a little bit backwards. So we started off asking what play is not. And by doing that, we also came to what it actually is. So by doing this, we found out that play is typically active, not passive. It's typically spontaneous, not obligated. It's typically satisfying, not frustrating. And it's also typically light-hearted.
The active side of play is super important because it gets those endorphins going. It kind of encourages us to come out of ourselves.
It's spontaneous, improvised, and the rules are invented as you go along.
So we found 5 play needs that are common around the world, and they are play to connect, play to express yourself, play to escape, play to explore, and play to repair. Knowing that a little bit of playfulness in the everyday life can make people's life better, we need to think about all activities we do in home and how they could become more playful and more fun.